There's a new hack on an old trend. Thieves are going into unlocked cars, as they do, and if they don't see anything of value, they take your garage door opener and they raid your garage. News Channel 8's Jana Jones is in Riverview in one of the neighborhoods that recently got hit.
Many who live in this Summerfield subdivision describe this as a nice and quiet neighborhood, but it's when it's quiet that these thieves are breaking into your garage and they're stealing your things. Surveillance video shows a pair of slick criminals going into an unlocked car, getting the garage door opener, and then going into a garage in Riverview. The pair stole a motorbike while the family slept inside.
Criminals, they get more and more brazen. The more they do, then it becomes easier for them.
Hillsborough County deputies say they're seeing more and more criminals lurking around homes and getting into garages.
People continue to leave their doors unlocked. They don't lock their vehicles. And I think the worst part is people become very secure when they're in their own driveway.
That's the case for Lisa Lynn Schoten. She says she minds her own business and has never had a problem in this neighborhood.
It's very quiet. You know, a lot of kids playing on the street and everybody, you know, just friendly.
Deputies say criminals are taking advantage of the friendly. They're not expecting it.
Well, I was very surprised. I, see Riverview like, oh my goodness. And then they said Summerfield, like, wow, that's really hitting close to home.
At her home, she does have some security measures to try and protect herself.
Or even if they don't even ring the doorbell, if somebody comes in that area, it says somebody's on your porch.
The problem is, security or no security, people are forgetting the little things.
Lock your car doors, even if it's in your own driveway.
People in this community got a rude awakening from thieves, but they say they won't get taken advantage of again.
Stay away from my home and my neighborhood, because we're ready for you.
Again, deputies and detectives say that they cannot ask you enough, they cannot remind you enough to please stop making this so easy for the criminals, and always remember to lock your doors. In Riverview, Jana Jones, News Channel 8.